Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create an account on Indeed. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the Indeed app, which is the world's first job search site. So you can see that if you have an account, you can sign in, but if you do not have, you can create one. So you have to click on the create an account, so you can sign in with your Google or with Facebook, or you can give your email address and to set up a password and then to create an account. I think that the easiest way to sign in with Google, so I'm going to do that. So I signed in, and right now, because I'm in Romania, the Indeed language is Romanian, but I would like to switch to English by clicking in these three lines. Here is the language option, and let's search for English language. And now I'm in. So this is how you can create an account on Indeed. I hope this video was helpful for you, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.